$200. That is exactly how much I spent testing AI money tools over the past 30 days. Not reading about them, not watching other people talk about them, actually using them, paying for them, and pushing them to see if they could do what every ad, every YouTube video, and every guru claimed they could do. And here's what I found out. Some of them were a complete waste of money. One of them genuinely surprised me. And one specific tool, that almost nobody talks about, turned out to be the highest value thing I tested. If you have ever typed best AI tools to make money into YouTube or Google and ended up more confused than when you started, this video is for you. Because today I am going to cut through every single piece of noise and tell you exactly what works, what does not, and what a complete beginner should actually spend their money on in 2026. Here's the problem nobody talks about when it comes to AI tools for making money online. There are thousands of them. New ones launch every single week, and every single one of them promises to change your life, automate your income, and make everything effortless. So what do most people do? They buy one tool. They spend a week figuring it out. They see a new one being promoted. They buy that one too. And before they know it, they have 5 subscriptions, 0 results, and a lot of regret. This is called shiny tool syndrome. And it is the #1 reason people who are serious about using AI to make money online never actually make any. So before I tested anything, I set 3 rules. Does this tool save me real time? Does it have a direct path to generating income? And can a complete beginner use it without a technical background? Every tool I tested was measured against those 3 things, nothing else. Let me start with the tool I use more than anything else. Claude AI. And if you have never heard of it, think of it as the most powerful thinking and writing partner you have ever had, except it costs $20 a month and it never sleeps. Here is what I actually used Claude for during my 30-day test. Writing video scripts from scratch, building out an entire online course, creating community posts, email copy, content strategies, and business plans. I even used it to stress test my own ideas, asking it to find the weaknesses in my thinking before I committed time and money to something. What it promises is that it can help you think, write, and create faster than you ever could alone. And in my experience, that promise is completely true. The result after 30 days was this. Every piece of content I produced, every script, every lesson, every post, was built with Claude. What used to take me an entire day now takes 2 to 3 hours. That time saving alone is worth far more than $20 a month. For anyone looking for the best AI tools to make money online in 2026, Claude is not optional. It is the foundation everything else is built on. Verdict, keep, non-negotiable. The single highest value tool I tested. The second tool I tested was InVideo. And this one is specifically for anyone who wants to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI, which is one of the fastest growing side hustles for beginners in 2026. Here is what InVideo does. You give it a script. It turns that script into a fully produced video. Voiceover, footage, captions, music, all generated automatically. No camera, no editing software, no technical skills required. What I actually used it for was producing YouTube videos for my channel without ever appearing on screen. I wrote the script in Claude, pasted it into InVideo, selected my settings, and within minutes had a fully produced video ready to review and upload. The honest result. InVideo is not perfect. Sometimes the footage it selects does not perfectly match the script, and you will need to go in and make manual edits before publishing. But for $25 a month, it replaces what used to require a full video production team. For beginners who want to start a faceless AI YouTube channel and generate income from ad revenue and affiliate links, InVideo is one of the most practical AI money tools available right now. Verdict, keep. With the expectation that you will spend time editing the output before it goes live. The third tool I tested was vidEQ. And this one works differently from the others. It does not create content for you. What it does is tell you exactly what content to create, based on what people are actually searching for on YouTube right now. Here's how I used it. Every time I started a new video, I went to vidIQ first. I searched my topic and it showed me the exact keywords people are typing into YouTube, how competitive those keywords are, and which titles are most likely to rank. It also generates AI thumbnail options and gives you a score on how likely your video is to perform before you even upload it. The result after 30 days was clear. The videos I optimized using VidIQ data consistently outperformed the ones I did not. Better titles, better descriptions, better tags. All of it adds up to more views, more subscribers, and more potential income from a YouTube channel. The basic version of vidIQ is completely free. And for a beginner starting a faceless AI channel, the free plan gives you everything you need to get started. Verdict: keep. And start with the free version before upgrading. The fourth tool I tested was 11 Labs. And this one is specifically for people who want professional AI voiceover for their videos and course content, without recording their own voice. Here is what 11 Labs does. You paste in your script. You select a voice from their library, and it generates a human-sounding AI voiceover in seconds. The quality is significantly better than the generic AI voices built into most video tools. I tested it for course lesson narration. The goal was to find a voice that sounded natural enough for members paying $97 a month to take seriously. And after testing multiple voices and models, the results were genuinely impressive. The honest reality is that finding the right voice takes time. Not every voice in their library works for education content. But once you find the one that fits your brand, the output is consistent, professional, and scalable. At $6 a month for the starter plan. 11 Labs is one of the most affordable AI tools for content creators who want to build a faceless brand with a consistent voice across all platforms. Verdict: keep. But budget time upfront to test voices before committing to one. The fifth and final tool I tested was repurpose.io. And this one quietly does something that used to take hours of manual work every single week. Here is the problem it solves. You upload one video to YouTube, and then you have to go and manually post versions of that content to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and every other platform you are trying to grow on. That process alone can eat up an entire day. Repurpose.io eliminates that completely. You connect your YouTube channel to the tool. Set up your publishing rules once. And every time you upload a YouTube video, Repurpose.io automatically clips it, formats it for each platform, and publishes it without you touching anything. In 30 days of testing, every long-form video I uploaded to YouTube was automatically repurposed into multiple short-form clips and published across Instagram and TikTok. The time I saved was significant. And the additional reach from those platforms means more eyes on my content and more potential members finding their way to my community. At around $25 a month, Repurpose.io pays for itself the moment it saves you a full day of manual posting. Verdict: keep. Especially if you are serious about building a multi-platform AI income brand in 2026. So let me break down the real numbers. $200 across 5 tools. Claude AI at $20. InVideo at $25. vidIQ on the free plan, so $0 there. 11 Labs at $6. And Repurpose.io at $25. That is $76 in actual monthly subscriptions, not $200. So where did the rest go? Testing. Upgrading plans to access features. A few tools that did not make this list because they simply did not deliver enough value to talk about. The honest return on that $200 was this: a fully built YouTube channel with published videos, a complete online course ready for members, content published automatically across multiple platforms every week, and a system that now runs with significantly less time than it did 30 days ago. You cannot put a clean dollar figure on that in 30 days. But you can say this: the infrastructure I built using these 5 tools would have cost thousands of dollars and a full team to build manually just 2 years ago. Today it costs under $80 a month and runs almost entirely on AI. If you are brand new to using AI to make money online and you only have $30 a month to spend, start with Claude AI. Everything else on this list becomes more powerful when you pair it with strong scripts, strong strategy, and strong content. Claude gives you all 3. Build the thinking first. Add the other tools as your income grows. If this video showed you that the right AI tools for making money online are real, affordable, and genuinely within reach for everyday people, then I want to show you what it looks like when you put them all together into one system. That is exactly what AI BrainBank is built for. It is a private community where everyday people learn how to use AI tools to build real income streams. Step by step, no tech background needed, no hype. The link is in the description. Your first 7 days are completely free. No credit card required to start. And if you found this video useful, subscribe. Every week I break down exactly what is working in AI income right now. No fluff, just what is real. I will see you in the next one.